Welcome to Ludo Tips TV. Today, I'm going to share some incredible everyday life hacks that can make your daily routine smoother and more efficient. We all have those little annoyances that seem to drain our time and energy, but with a few clever tricks, you can tackle them head on and reclaim your day. Let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about organization. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, so simplifying your environment is key. Start by using drawer organizers or even small boxes to compartmentalize items in your kitchen or bathroom. This not only makes it easier to find what you need, but also helps maintain a neat appearance. Plus, try labeling each section to quickly identify where things belong. It's amazing how a little structure can add peace to your day. Next, we have a hack for saving time in the kitchen. Cooking can be a time-consuming task, especially if you're prepping multiple meals. Invest in a set of stackable food containers with clear labels. Cook your meals in batches and store them in these containers. This will not only save you time throughout the week, but also make it easy to see what leftovers you have available. Meal prep can drastically reduce mealtime stress, allowing you more freedom to enjoy other activities. Another great tip is for managing your clothes. Folding can be tedious, but if you adopt the vertical folding method, you'll be surprised at how much space you save and how easily you can see all your clothing options. Simply fold your clothes into neat rectangles and stack them upright in your drawers. This method is not only a space saver, but also helps in maintaining your wardrobe neat and organized. Lastly, let's focus on technology. Our devices are integral to our everyday lives, but they can become cluttered with apps and files. Spend some time decluttering your phone or computer by organizing apps into folders and deleting any unused ones. Also, create backups of important files and photos to cloud storage to free up space and keep your data safe. Staying digitally organized can boost your productivity and ensure everything runs smoothly. So there you have it, some simple yet effective hacks to enhance your everyday life. By incorporating these tips, you can minimize stress and maximize efficiency, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Ludo Tips TV for more great content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.